Hey, what's up guys? It's Phil from 3D Japan, and today we're talking about a really cool marble run that you can 3D print, and it can get a lot bigger than this. Let's check it out. Hey, first let me mention my fun shirt from geeksoutfit.com. This is a little something for you Firefly fans. Yeah, it's kind of cold in here in my studio, so I'm glad to have a sweatshirt, a little hoodie to keep me warm. But yeah, if you want to check these out, they have lots of cool, geeky, nerdy shirts and other clothing items and such. Check out geeksoutfit.com. Use code PHIL25 to get 25% off. So the guys over at Marble Adventure reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out, what they're working on. And it's kind of like a Kickstarter thing running over at My Mini Factory, where they have a ton of parts that you can print and assemble your own marble run in any way you want. It's like Lego kit that's actually you can play with. So first, see, we start off with these kind of frames. I've got a couple of these. I did a couple different filament types, trying to decide which one to look best. We have one that's solid, and then we have all of these little risers and all the different track components, and these are all in kind of a cool Aztec theme, and they're really well made, really interesting. Like this tree here is very detailed. Got like a totem here, and so let's assemble these and see how it goes. Okay, those are put together. Let's see what else we've got. All right, start building up some height. Okay, we've got all the parts I printed assembled. Here we've got the end of the track. We've got a curve. We've got this cool looking tree. Now you could have marbles drop down in the top, or there's a cross section inside where they could come out either way. And let's see, we've got another curve and a bridge that's sloping down. And a couple more curves, another bridge and a ramp. And up here we've got this starting totem where you can rotate to start your marbles. So let's give it a try. Okay, so it stopped in there. I'm not sure if we can see it, but that is because, take a look. Inside here, there's a bit of a ramp in the middle. So this might be good for other components. We could try rearranging and put it in a different spot. But let's take a look at what other components we could print and maybe find something else that would go good in there. So as we scroll down, you can see there are 100 different components you could print to put in your marble run. So you've got a lot to choose from. So as we scroll down,
I think I'd like to print this Aztec head here. And maybe this tube block as well. So let's print those and see how we can add them to our marble run. Alright, so I'm printing this out, but you actually don't even need a printer if you want to print all these out. You can go to my sponsor, PCBWay. Just upload the model parts to their website, and you can choose all kinds of different materials to print it with, different colors. There's have a wide range of colors you can print with, and they'll print them out and pack them up nicely and ship them to you. So check out PCBWay.com. Okay, the prints are done. I think they came out really cool. Look at that. And this one. And yep, this one curves around. So let's see where we can put these. Now, this one has kind of these corners on top, so you actually can stack them. But I think what I'm going to do, let's remove this. And I'm going to try to put the curve in here. And then we'll put him in there. Oops. Okay. And then so the marble should come through and curve around and go in and come out here, which I should have another frame for here, but for now, I'll just sit this here and we'll see if that works. All right, let's give it a go. Now, well, I'm going to have to do some adjusting to make this, give this maybe a little more height so it gets a little more speed going around. Nope. Yeah, we got stuck in there. But it's still fun. And, you know, I'm going to mess with this a little bit and see if I can get it to work perfectly. Okay, so check this out. I made a few adjustments here with the pieces that I already had, just rearranged them a little bit. And I figured out the bottom tube of this one has a little slope in the middle so that when marbles drop from the top, it'll kind of push them out to either side. So that's not going to work for rolling straight through. But you can use it as decoration up there. And I made their curve, instead of being over here, I put it over here. And here's our end there. So let's go. Oh, all right, we got a little bit stuck. There we go. That was a lot of fun. And we got one more up here. Yeah.
Okay, so that's my look at the Marble Adventure set of prints. I mean, there are still so many more prints that I could do. I could really expand this out to be too big to fit on my table. I'm actually not even sure where I'm going to put this as it is. But it's been so much fun getting to assemble these things and pick out different parts and figure out where I'm going to put them. Here we go. Yeah, so it's a lot of fun. So thanks again to the guys at the Marble Adventure for sending this over. If you want to download it yourself, I'll give you a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.